Are you looking for ways to earn money easily? Look no further. In this video, we will share some effective and straightforward methods to help you earn extra income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone looking to make some quick cash, these proven strategies will guide you on your path to financial success. Get ready to discover how to earn money easily. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss some fantastic ways to earn money easily. Whether you're in need of some extra cash or want to generate a sustainable income, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Looking to earn money easily? We've curated a list of tried and tested methods that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's explore these exciting opportunities together. Method 1. Online surveys. Easy ways to earn money. One of the easiest ways to earn money online is by participating in surveys. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinion. By signing up for reputable survey websites, you can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards simply by sharing your thoughts on various products and services. Method 2. Freelancing. Quick money-making tips. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other valuable service? By becoming a freelancer, you can leverage your talents and earn money at your own pace. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients looking for their specific skills. Start by creating an appealing profile, showcasing your work samples, and soon you'll have clients reaching out to you. Method 3. Online tutoring. Extra income ideas. If you have expertise in a subject and enjoy sharing knowledge, online tutoring can be an excellent way to earn money. Many online platforms connect tutors with students worldwide. You can teach various subjects, such as math, languages, music, or even provide guidance on specific exams. Set your own rates, schedule, and start helping others while making money from the comfort of your own home. Method 4. Selling handmade products. Simple money-earning methods. Do you have a knack for crafts, jewelry making, or art? Why not turn your hobby into a money-making venture? Websites like Etsy provide a perfect platform to sell your handmade products to a global audience. Create unique and appealing items, set reasonable prices, and watch your creations bring in both income and joy to others. Method 5. Affiliate marketing. Financial success strategies. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money through commissions. By joining affiliate programs, you can promote products or services you genuinely believe in and earn a percentage of each sale made through your unique referral link. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or have a strong online presence, affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by recommending things you love. That's a wrap on today's video. We hope you found these easy ways to earn money helpful. Remember, with dedication and effort, financial success is within your grasp. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned and see you soon.